If you're into gaming, you're in the market for a serious gaming smartphone, and you have a good budget, this is the one I'd advise you to buy. Meet the Oneplus Ace 5 Pro. But first, let's unbox it. In the box, you get a protective case, a 100 watts fast charger, a USB-A to C cable and a SIM ejector tool, and of course, the phone itself. The Ace 5 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and a whopping 1 terabyte of storage, meaning you get zero lag. Just pure speed, whether you are gaming, multitasking or streaming in 4K. It comes with a 6.78-inch LTP AMOLED display that is absolutely stunning. 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support with up to 4500 nits of peak brightness. For photography, it comes with a 50 megapixel triple camera system with optical image stabilization, a 16 megapixel front camera that is ready for anything from pro level shoots to crystal clear selfies. Being a OnePlus phone, you are sure the battery doesn't disappoint. It's a massive 6100 mAh battery that gets you from 0 to 55% in just 15 minutes. You also get Wi-Fi 7 support, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, IP65 durability, plus advanced cooling for long gaming sessions. And for the price tag, the S5 Pro is going for only 124,500 Kenya shillings. But if you're on a tighter budget, you can opt for the base model that is going for only 92,000 Kenyan shillings.